scaring the crap out of me. You did it. Say hello. Look at all your smoke.
Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah, I'm recording your ass. That's what did it right there. I look like shit. We're smoking. They might send the fire department and make us go out.
How
Whoa!
do you turn it off?
Scaring me.
I don't know how you turn it off.
Dude, this shit's loud, yo.
Alyssa, right?
Alyssa, yeah. Ow! It went right in my ear. They might send the fire department. Ow! Right in my ear again.
She ran. I turned it off.
Okay. Oh, Jesus.
There you go.
Do we have to go out? Do we have to leave?
The fire alarm's going off. How do you turn it off? That's not funny. Stop.
I look horrible.
Wow.
Dude, go right in front of that thing. Ow!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh!
kindly to be seated.
We're going deaf, yo. Are they gonna make us go out?
I feel so bad.
Here we Honey, dinner's done. What? Should we go outside? Like, this is loud, right?
Yeah, but louder outside.
I'm going outside. Oh my God, it's warm out here. Holy shit. Woo!
The fire company's coming.
They are. Yeah, they are. I can't wait. Where am I gonna go? There's nowhere to get away from it. Okay, I found a spot.